All right, guys, what is going on? I hope that each and every one of you has had a good holiday between Christmas and between the New Year. I took some extra time to kind of get some rest and kind of, well, get ready for the new year, right? So, I have not opened the market since the last time I spoke with you. I can't even remember the last time that I spoke with you. It's been some time. So the 29th or the 30th, something like that. But here we are sitting now at what is today, the 11th? The 12th, right? So we're gonna kick it off now. I'm rusty, pretty strong. It could be catastrophic today. Hopefully not. Now our real account is sitting at $197,000. We grew that in about 4 months from 20 grand. So pretty good money, right? So we were definitely getting jacked and creating stacks. And now we're going to check in and see what we can do in 2026, right? So let's take a look first of what's going on. We're in the 15-minute. I want to go to the daily because I haven't seen anything in forever. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bit of a kind of a range, honestly. But we're going down. We've been going down for the euro dollar for like a week. Oh man. And probably still going to go down some. So, with that being said, let's jump into the 30-minute. Take a look. Steadily going down. Now we go back to the 15. Come on. Uh-huh. Still kind of going down. Going down. Yeah, yep, 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 yep. So it looks like our bias is going to be shorts. Huge rejection here, though. Okay, 5 minutes. Just taking a look at everything. Mhm. Mhm. All right. We're gonna work on going down. I'm gonna be rusty. That's why I was always telling you before, like try to trade every day at least a little bit, just so you don't get rusty. I didn't do that. Okay. So our newer strategy, if I remember correctly, with everything was still setting up our levels on the 1 minute, and it worked well as long as you're moving with the trend. One, two, three, four. Let's see how those are going to work. There. And here, where we're bouncing off of that. And here as well. Not such a good market to trade in, to be honest. And let's see if we got some confirmations. Not for a while. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't see that. Yeah, market's yeah, rusty. Here's my screen. So I was being that's why I forgot to even change it. So here we go. So here down. Here will be a good one. We kind of broke above it. The market's not so great to be trading in, but we're gonna try it anyways. So about right here. Start with $100 on this. 3 minutes. One, two, three. Crank it down to two. And I went ahead and entered here for 2 minutes because this rejection, maybe it will work. It at least needs to engulf that. So let's just kind of see. And it's $100. Hopefully it won't completely bounce off this, but we will see. Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, kind of paid off with that, so I didn't screw it up too bad. Yeah, 92% return. And if you have questions, don't be shy. Ask. All right. Even taking a pause, it looks like our strategy is staying up. I'm gonna put one more right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and change that color because it can move. About right here. It's just in case we crank down just a little bit. It's rejecting. There we go. Da, 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 da. No, 4 seconds. Are you kidding me? Ah, that was a close one. Give it an extra 10 seconds. And we'll do 200 since we did. Mm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. There we go. Just enter a couple there at that top. One, two, three candles is not too good. One, two, and two. We'll see. We're gonna play it out and just see what's going on. Okay. If this would be an engulfing candle, it will be awesome, and it's going to clarify. It's going to start going down even more. Kind of faked a lot of people out. I bet a lot of people what they did was they went long on this after this candle, after this green candle here. But there's no wick at the bottom. See? Yeah. Come on, give us some money. Some money, some money, some money. I feel like starting off the new year making some cash, burning through everything I have. Yep. No. Come on, I have like 30 seconds left. Don't bend me over. Super. And it is an engulfing candle and with a little bit of a wick, so we're probably going to continue going down just a little bit. Ooh, nothing super risky. Oh, and it's going to close below this, so it means we'll go down even further. And we took off some profit. I wonder if I roll that over. This is a little bit of the gamble here. Kind of a bad one because we had these like wicks right here, but kind of breaking the whole. Still lower lows, lower highs. $1,200. This would be like all profit if we lose it. So all of our profit if we lose it, plus some. But just to make a little bit of a gamble, let's see how it's gonna play out. Let's just see. Come on, let's have a little fun. Mm, mhm. Another. Mm. Definitely not good. Mhm. And a good rejection. That's good for us. No, not good for us. Maybe if we needed more time. One, two, three. We're gonna need more time. No. Done. Mhm. Okay. 5 minutes and one. Good payout if it continues to decline within 5 candles. So we're gonna hold off here because I'm eating through my profits by about like 2 grand. So, and I broke my rule and I just remembered it because I haven't been trading in so long. These 2 weeks have made me super rusty. So I was going against the candles here and I forgot that when we're in the movement. Okay. All right. No, it's stupid. Okay. All right. So we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe it'll pay out. Probably not. But mm, it's horrible. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Yes. Mm, huge engulfing candle. Come on. Huge engulfing. So it should. Let's continue, continue, continue. Please continue. And it froze. Come on, no, keep going down. Come on, do it for me. Be a good girl for the love of God. Just crash already. It's super, super risk. And I didn't catch it just because I made a stupid mistake. The little stupid mistakes will kill you. But if we clear it, we'll finally break 200 grand, which is a huge milestone for me. It's my like personal milestone that I've been wanting to do. So it would officially make our portfolio 10x in 4 months. No, you fucking stay there. Yes, perfect. That's what I was expecting, but way earlier. And if I didn't roll these over, we would have been stopped out big time. Come on, crank it down. Crank it down. This is going to be the last trade for me. Completely just because I'm fresh back into it and I'm already making stupid mistakes. And then we'll do it again on Wednesday or Friday. To yet be determined. Yes. Perfect. Mwah. 4 grand there. Did we break it? Did we break it? I didn't even check. Oh, you bastard. So close. All right, please don't go catabolic and just shoot above this in 40 seconds. Just don't do it. Let me take this to 200 grand right now. You know, I love that I've made so much good money on stupid mistakes. It's happened a few times lately that I've made mistakes and it like really turned out, but it's such an uncomfortable position. 20 seconds. All right. Ah, kicking my ass with stress. And oh yeah. All right. 200 grand. Fantastic. Now, usually my goals are like $1,000 each trading period. That's say if we do 3 streams, 3,000 in a week, which is 12,000 in a month, which is more than what most people make with regular 9 to 5 jobs, right? So if you can do that. Now today we cleared 3 grand. 3 grand today, like right off the bat. So even I could take the rest of the week off and still would reach my goal at making 12 grand, a little over 100 grand in a year. If I'm consistent with it, and that's the key. Obviously, I'm pretty consistent with it, right? So 200 grand, we are officially right now 10x of our portfolio from when we started at 20K. Oh, that's awesome. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Awesome. Awesome sauce, guys. All right, cool. So, whew, that's it. And we did it in 30 minutes. 3 grand, 30 minutes. That's every 10 minutes to $1,000. Pretty cool, right? All right. Okay. What now? So we stayed to this strategy. I love this strategy, honestly. It works beautiful. Minus the stupid mistakes. Like we could have done the same thing a lot less, like right here, as like or even here, for example, when we seen that it was coming down. About 30 seconds or so. So we could have done that there. That's really how it should have happened. Really. Instead we entered here and we got scared and everything else. So yeah, 4 or 5 minutes, yeah, right here. So that's kind of like how the strategy works. Like if you're going long, you need to go at the top end of it as you get a confirmation that it's going down. I forgot because I'm stupid and I took a long pause from trading. But now I remember, so it paid out. Super, super, super. I'm not complaining too much. Uh, yeah, that's super, man. That's awesome. What is crypto doing though? Right? Let's take a look at crypto right now. Crypto bubbles. Let's just take a look. Yeah. Nah. What? Not so great. Okay. Good for the month. Yep. And it's continued going down like I thought it would when it broke and cleared here. What I was telling you, and this is why this one was temporary. And that was your second signal here too to continue trading in because there's nothing stopping it. Super, super, super. So our little lines, our line indicators, the supports and the resistance here that we're using, they work very well if you implement it right, and they work really good for the 1 minute time frame too. So 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minutes kind of iffy, but the 1 minute works. It just honestly, I just changed it up just because I didn't want to um, deal with going back and forth. But it turns out really good. So hopefully you guys can use it too and make some cash yourself doing it. All right, so that's going to be a wrap for the day. I am so happy to reach 200 grand. You can't imagine. That's been on my head now for a while, for at least like a month to take 200K. So we took 200K. We've done that. We're going to try to take it to 201, 202, 203, something like that. Um, something like this, right? So we'll see. But being consistent is a main thing here. All right, guys. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to follow us on all of our social media, and I will catch you at the next live stream. Until then, peace out. Enjoy 2026. Hopefully, it is as lucrative for you as it has been for me. Thank you.